Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of 8-wire, 3-layer resistive touchscreen for 15.6-inch LCD panel. First, glass cutter cuts the ITO glass and laser cuts the ITO film by the machines. Second, carefully insert the FPC into the junction by hand. Third, heat seal the FPC by the machine. Fourth, quality test if it works properly. Fifth, add some glue to the junction of the FPC. Sixth, carefully clean the surface with industry alcohol. 7. Cover it with protection film before the next step. 8th, remove the protection film from PET and the protection film from OCA by hand, and assemble them together by the machine. Debubble the assembly for the next step. 9th, remove the protection film from ITO film and the protection film from OCA by hand, and assemble them together by the machine. Debubble the final product. 10th, quality test if it works properly. 11th, carefully clean the surface with industry alcohol. 12th, cover the final product with protection film. 13. Size measurements before packing.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.